Use our LinkedIn app to display posts from your company's profile. Just note, you must be an admin of the page you want to display to use this app. Go to the Apps tab and add LinkedIn. Give the app a name and an optional description if needed. Then click Log in with LinkedIn to connect your account to Yodeck. Once you've logged in with LinkedIn, you can then select the page you want to display here. Set the number of posts you want to display and how long each post will be displayed for. Then set the refresh rate, which will update your feed. Set the orientation and image fit. You can show the likes on your posts, or toggle this off if you don't want to see the likes. Choose a light, dark, or custom colour theme for your app. The default duration is the time, in seconds, that the app will appear in a playlist. Keep availability unticked if you don't want to schedule the app, or toggle it on and set the start and expiration dates. This means the app will not be displayed outside of these dates. Click Save and your app will be ready to display.